What's the difference between Japanese sentence pattern kodomo no koro and kodomo no toki? Let's find out. For our English explanation, when we use kodomo no koro, we are talking about an event that happened throughout our childhood. So, we are talking about an event that happened on our childhood that doesn't only happen once, but it almost happened in a variation of time. For example, is maybe on your childhood, you're always sick. For example, is in a week, maybe 3 to 4 times you are sick. So the event doesn't only happen once, but all throughout your childhood, you are experiencing this event. In order for us to understand it more, let's give an example. Kodomo no koro, Natsuya sumiwa, itsumo tanoshikatta. So, on this example, we are talking about an event that happened on our childhood. An event that doesn't only happen once or exist once, but it always happens. So, on our example, so the summer vacation, which is summer vacation always happen every year. So, it doesn't only happen once in our childhood. When we use kodomo no toki, we are talking about an experience or an event that happened at some point on our childhood. Because when we use kodomo no toki, it seems like we're having a telescopic view of our childhood. What is a telescopic view of our childhood? It's like looking at some point of our childhood, not looking at the whole point of our childhood. For example, is at some point on my childhood, I fell in love with Avril Lavigne. So we are not talking about the whole childhood memories, but at some point, maybe just 3 months, and then after 3 months, this experience ended. In order for us to understand it more, let's give an example. Kodomo no toki, yoko nihon no anime o mimashita. So, on our example, I indicate or express that at some point on my childhood, I used to watch or I love to watch Japanese cartoons. For our Taglish explanation, so yung kodomo no koro, minasang, ay ginagamit kapag nagsasalaysay tayo ng isang event or experience na nangyari all throughout nung ating kabataan. So yung event na to is hindi nangyari isang beses, kundi may span of time lang siya na lagi siyang nangyayari or ginagawa. Maaari siyang isang event or celebration na ang range is pwedeng daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, noong kabataan natin na nangyayari. Para mas maintindihan natin, bigay tayong example. Kodomo no koro, Natsuya sumiwa, itsumo tanoshikatta. So, sa example natin, nagbabanggit tayo ng isang event ng ating kabataan na laging nangyayari. So, yung summer vacation, so, di ba, yearly naman, mayroong summer vacation. So, yung event na yun, o experience na yun is lagi nating na-experience nung kabataan natin. So, yung experience na yun is hindi siya nangyari once. So, may span of time siya na yung experience na yun is paulit-ulit ating na-experience. So, yung kodomo no toki minasang is same name kodomo no koro is balik tanaw din siya sa nakaraan. Pero di sa kodomo no toki, hindi natin titignan yung buong kabataan natin. Meron lang tayong specific point nung kabataan natin na binabalikan natin. Unlike yung example natin sa kodomo no koro, di ba? Ang example natin doon is every summer, no? Every summer vacation. So, doon, throughout our childhood, merong summer vacation na may ginagawa tayo sa summer vacation. Pero dito sa kodomo no toki, some point lang, no? Parang telescopic view. So, paano ba tayo gumamit ng telescope, di ba? Pag tumingin tayo sa telescope, isang point lang yung makikita natin. So, compare mo siya sa yung wala tayong telescope. So, lahat ng nasa paligid natin is makikita compared pag naka-telescope tayo. Pag naka-telescope tayo, isang point lang yung makikita natin. So, ganoon din yung gap ni kodomo no toki. isang point ng kabataan natin na ating tinatanaw o binabalikan. Para mas maintindihan natin, bigay tayong example. Kodomo no toki, yoku nihon no anime o mimashita. So dito, in-emphasize ko na at one point nung kabataan ko is nahilig ako sa panonood ng Japanese cartoons. Pero since Kodomo no Toki yung ginamit natin, so maaring naglast lang siya ng, sabi natin, 1 year, 2 years, or months lang. And then after nun, nag-switch na ako. Sa ibang cartoons, maybe American cartoons naman yung pinanood ko. So again, yung Kodomo no Koro ay ginagamit kapag nagbabalik tanong tayo sa kabataan natin all throughout nung childhood natin. While kay Kodomo no Toki, may specific point lang tayo na binabalikan. Follow for more!